Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. After the other day's Bannock, I decided to come out and do it my regular way. So I have a whole playlist of Bannock videos, so if you wish to check them out, I will link the description below. So of course I have my baking, it's a stainless steel baking bowl. Then I have an MSR stainless steel bowl that I use in my mixing in. I have this MSR 1.1 liter pot with lid, and I got this steamer rack that I bought in the Asian market that fits in here perfectly to lift it up off the bottom. So right now I'm just sort of building coals because I don't want to scorch the hell out of my Bannock when I put it in there. So fire's roasting along just fine. It's a nice dry day, so it's burning up quick. So I'll get to stirring the Bannock, which I have my mix right here. It's just a cup of flour, shortening. I used butter flavored Crisco this time. A teaspoon of baking powder. Salt, I didn't measure it, I just kind of, I have a salt grinder with some pink Himalayan salt until I switch over to sea salt. I'm going to crack a few cracks in there, and then I don't know, a little bit of brown sugar, because sugar adds in caramelization. Sugar will caramelize, and also it makes the Bannock brown. So it's why you put sugar in sweets, not because one, it makes it sweet, but it also makes it helps it brown easier. And then I found this little stirrer at grocery outlet. It was also right next to a combo piece with this and a little spatula the same size. I figured I'd give them a try because they're only $2, so I figured why not. So let's get the fire stoked, and then we'll mix. We'll get the Bannock mix going. I just made this fire, so it's got a, it's cooking along nicely. Yeah, it's too hot for baking, but it's good for boiling water, but not for baking. There we go. Alright, so now the mix, a little bit of water. Start with just a small amount and add more gradually, because it's easier to add water and then take it away. I know this from personal experience. So I typically will bring Bannock mix, but I almost never bring extra flour. So it's going to need a little bit more water. you guys can see. Go. This is one of the few times I think I got actually just a good amount of water. Usually I always get too much water in, but not today. Alright. Now I don't like mixing with my hands because, you know, your hand, I have working hands, lotion all over them, so I don't want to mix that in my dough. Oop. There you go, one mixed up dough. Now let's get that sucker in the pan. That's sort of what I meant by stuff blowing onto the pan. I need a bandana. What do I do with my bandana? Basically what I only want to do here is just swirl the oil around. Maybe get rid of a little bit of it. Wow, that's really hot. So, set that in the fire. Come on. I want to get this as level as I possibly can for good even baking. There we go. Wow, that spoon was super hot. Alright. So there we go. I got my water on, which I'll have to check. There we go. Nice. I'm just doing Mountain House lasagna with meat sauce. I had something else I was gonna cook, but I decided at the last minute just to do the Mountain House because it's easier. But I'm gonna have Bannock to go with it, so nice full meal. Oh yeah. Let's get our first look at the Bannock. I want to turn it as well. There we go. Because I don't want all the heat just on one side. Alright, let's take a look at our Bannock. Well, I guess I should say my Bannock, but... Oh, that looks nice. Give it a turn. It might be a little too hot underneath. Maybe getting this level is just... Yeah, I can tell by the feel. It's... Yeah, that was hot, really hot. Let's give a check to our Bannock. Note to self, do not touch lid no matter what. Oh, I think it might be done. Feels done. Hold out to cool down. Put the blistering hot pan aside. Now I can stoke the fire up. Put some fuel on there. Oh, yeah. Couple sizable pieces on there. There we go. Groovy. Let's go wait for the Bannock to cool so I can eat it. So hey, just checking in. Actually, I'm currently shooting a Bannock video, which is right here. Just I'm waiting for it to cool down. Now, I normally wouldn't put a log across like that because it could roll off. But because it's early enough in the evening and I'm here watching it, and I'm going to be up until dark, so I have no plans of going to bed. What I'm going to do is just put the fuel I have over here and just pack it around the middle until it burns through, and then just move it into this, and then just move it in. So it just saved me a lot of sawing. So yeah, it's a bit of laziness, but as soon as my Bannock's done, I can eat dinner. It's a little later than I wanted it to be, but it's not too bad. So it's been a really good day, though. It's only about let's see. Yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock. This is kind of my view. Here, that's the river just through the trees there. You can probably hear it. And there's some other camps down over here. In fact, my last... Oops, sorry. Camera was crooked. The other day we were down here camping, and or we weren't camping, but we were doing day stuff. And you know, my tarp shelter is over here, just behind this stump. So not my tarp shelter, my hammock. So good times. See if my Bannock's cool enough to eat. Alright, let's see if the Bannock's cool enough to eat now. Cool enough. Oh, and it popped right out. So, got a little charred, but not too shabby at all. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now I can dig in. Ah, excellent. As Broseph Russell would say, oh yeah. Okay. I love that it just popped right out. Maybe the trick is less water. Just like I had it, because look how clean the bowl is. I don't even have to wash the bowl out. I guess the real question is it baked all the way through? It just feels like it's springy. So, oh yeah. It's perfectly baked. Look at that. Big thumbs up. Man, it's so easy to make too. That charred piece. Go good with my Mountain House lasagna. Oh yeah. First time with the butter flavor Crisco too. I like it. Well, hope you're getting out there. Start of the spring. Hope you're enjoying the outdoors. Hope you're making stuff like this. You're having a good one out there. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.